What's up, people? It's your boy DJ Brian B, and I'm going to show you how to make pork ramen the cheating way. Here I chopped up about 3 pieces of garlic, some green onion, and about 3 white mushrooms, and a thumb of ginger. I grabbed a bunch of spinach from the Asian market, already washed and ready to eat. Here I soft boiled these ramen eggs with soy sauce and rice vinegar for 24 hours. So these are ramen eggs, what you find in your ramen. See how the inside is kind of runny a little bit? These are soft boiled. And this is how you make cheap pork ramen.